Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install browsers on your Windows 11 PC or Windows 10 without using a browser. That's really cool. So to do that, you want to go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar, and you want to simply type in store. You will see the Microsoft Store open up, and you will see the Microsoft Store. You want to open it, and all you have to do, guys, is simple type in Microsoft Store browser. Once you type in browser, hit enter, and you will see a ton of different browsers that will appear. So as you can see, you have Opera, you have Mozilla Firefox. If you scroll on, you also have Brave, you also have X browser. You have so many different browsers that you can use. Opera GX, Web Explorer, you have Microsoft Edge, and the list goes on and on and on and on and on, guys. So you have a ton of different browser that you can actually install on your PC. And let's say you install one of these browsers. It could be Mozilla Firefox or Opera or Brave or whichever one that you want. You can install them, and then afterwards, if you want to install, for example, Google Chrome or whatever it is, you can always do that at a later point in time. But if you don't really care about which browser you want to use, and you can easily choose one of these browsers. Most of these are really popular browsers: Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Brave. They're all popular browsers that you can use. On top of that, if you don't want to download any one of these browsers and you're using a Windows PC, the Windows computer comes with the Edge browser. So you can type in Edge and you will find Microsoft Edge browser. You can open it and you can just use the Microsoft Edge browser right away. And if you want to go old school, you can also go ahead and type in Internet Explorer, and you'll be able to use Internet Explorer on your PC. And worst case, you can also use the App Store to search for it as well. So guys, that's it. That's how you can easily go ahead and install browsers on your computer without using a browser. Very easy and very simple.